Distributing or installing Pixel Game Maker MV games and dealing with PPACK package files. These contain complete game assets in a single distributable file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these Pixel Game Maker MV package files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for PPACK problems. See below for my top choice. A PPACK file is a compressed archive containing a collection of custom brushes for the Procreate digital illustration app on iPad. Users download these packs to expand their artistic toolkit with new textures, styles, and effects, often created and shared by other artists in the community. The PPACK format is a proprietary zip-based container. It bundles multiple individual brush files along with metadata and preview images. This design allows for easy distribution and installation of entire brush collections in a single, organized package, simplifying the user's workflow for adding new creative assets. The PPACK file is widely endorsed for use with Pixel Game Maker MV developed by Gotcha Games. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows offers minimal insight into archive contents, so you'll need decompression utilities to open them. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your PPACK file and selecting Open With. Use Pixel Game Maker MV if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the PPACK file opens. If the PPACK file is still giving you trouble, relax. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, running the game. Pixel Game Maker. MV games typically include an executable launcher alongside the PPACK file. Run the launcher executable, which loads the PPACK and starts the game. The package file should remain in the same directory as the launcher with associated runtime libraries for proper game execution and asset loading. Next, importing in Pixel Game Maker MV. Launch Pixel Game Maker MV and use the project import function to load PPACK files containing project source data. Note that distribution PPACK files protect game assets and cannot be re-imported as editable projects. Only PPACK files exported as project archives support re-importing back into the development environment. Finally, examining as archive. Try opening the PPACK file with 7-zip or WinRAR to inspect the internal structure. Some PPACK variants use zip-compatible compression, allowing extraction of contained assets. Encrypted PPACK files prevent extraction, protecting commercial game content from unauthorized access, ensuring developer intellectual property remains secure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.